Did you know excess moisture could be silently damaging your home and even your health? Today we're revealing the top 5 portable dehumidifiers that actually work. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of damp closets, foggy car windows, or musty bathrooms, stick around. Links to every product are below. Check them out. The number 5 product on our list is Ubbo Dehumidifier. Did you know excess humidity in your car or closet can silently damage electronics, upholstery, and even your health? That's why the Ubbo Dehumidifier deserves a spotlight in the top 5 portable dehumidifiers list. With dual-semiconductor condensers, it removes up to 1.2 L of moisture daily, double the power of typical models. What really stood out during testing? The ultra-quiet 35 dB sleep mode. It's whisper-silent yet relentlessly efficient, ideal for bedrooms, RVs, and even small offices. We loved the timer function, 8H, 16H, 24H, colorful ambient lights, and added aromatherapy filter. It doesn't just dry air, it refreshes it. Auto shut-off with visual and audio alerts adds peace of mind, and the optional drain hose saves manual effort. It's compact, powerful, and beautifully designed. Compared to others in the top 5 car dehumidifier category, this one feels premium. If clean, dry air matters to you, Ubbo is a smart, safe choice. AT number 4 is BEDRED Dehumidifier. Ever thought a dehumidifier could be stylish and silent? The BEDRED Dehumidifier flips the script. It doesn't just fight humidity, it transforms your space. With thermoelectric cooling tech, it quietly removes excess moisture, making it a standout among the top 5 portable dehumidifiers I've tested. The real magic? It's 7-color ambient light that lets you set the vibe while at work. From calming blues to passionate reds, it's more than function, it's atmosphere. Perfect for bedrooms, RVs, or your home office, its whisper-quiet sleep mode and automatic shut-off bring total peace of mind. I love how it blends into any modern space without taking over. Compared to other dehumidifiers, this one hits that sweet spot of performance, size, and aesthetics. If you want something reliable yet mood-enhancing, BEDRED is worth every penny. For small space comfort, this is one of my top picks. Highly recommended. The third one on our list is BREEZOME Dehumidifier. What if I told you the fight against damp, musty air just got smarter and more stylish? Meet the BREEZOME Dehumidifier, one of my top 5 portable dehumidifiers this year, and honestly, a breath of fresh air for small spaces. This sleek unit features dual semiconductor condensers, which means it pulls up to 700 ml of moisture a day, nearly double the performance of most compact models. Whether it's your bathroom, RV, or closet, it quietly 35 dB quiet tackles humidity without being a distraction. The 1.8 L tank saves you from constant emptying, and the auto shutoff gives total peace of mind. Love late night vibes? Its color-changing nightlight and sleep mode turn it into a mood setter. Compared to similar dehumidifiers, BREEZOME combines power, portability, and smart features with energy efficiency. If you're after reliable comfort and modern aesthetics, this one's absolutely worth grabbing. The number 2 is Simsen Dehumidifier. Ever wondered how much moisture silently builds up in your room each day? The Simsen Dehumidifier doesn't just answer that, it solves it, making it one of the standout picks in our top 5 portable dehumidifiers list. With a powerful 95-pit tank and the ability to pull up to 34 Oz of moisture daily, this unit is a lifesaver for anyone battling clammy air in up to 800 SUFT. It's whisper quiet in sleep mode, just 35 dB, yet powerful enough to make a noticeable difference fast. I especially love the ambient color lighting. It adds personality while working hard. Compared to similar units, Simsen brings bonus value with a detachable air filter and included drain hose for continuous operation. Whether for a bedroom, RV, or basement, it's compact, effective, and peace of mind safe with auto shutoff. If clean, dry air is your goal, Simsen's a smart, reliable choice. Now moving to the last one is KeepGlad Dehumidifier. Struggling with sticky air and restless nights? The KeepGlad Dehumidifier might just be the hero your home needs. Unlike ordinary units, this one packs a powerful punch with dual semiconductor condensers, extracting up to 40 Oz of moisture a day. Perfect for bedrooms, basements, or even RVs. What makes it stand out in the top 5 portable dehumidifiers is its smart digital control system and real-time humidity display, making indoor comfort effortless. I loved the ultra-quiet sleep mode and the 7-color ambient light, total vibe. It auto-shuts when full and even offers continuous drainage, so no babysitting water tanks. Compared to others I've tested, it's more intuitive and power efficient. Whether you're dealing with muggy bathrooms or damp closets, this one's got your back. It's not just tested, it's trusted. If you want lasting peace of mind in a sleek, portable design, this is the smart move. Among all, the winner is the KeepGlad Dehumidifier, offering the perfect balance of efficiency, quietness, smart controls and portability, making it stand out in the top 5 portable dehumidifiers lineup. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 portable dehumidifier. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you.